everyone, this is me Rabab Zehra from TechX Media. We are at GISEC Global 2024 and I have with me right now Karan Sajnani. He is founder and CEO of Rudra, and Rudra is also here at GISEC Global participating in GISEC Cyberstars also. So let's speak with Karan and get to know more about their company, their GISEC presence and a couple of more questions. Hi Karan, how are you?
Hi, very well, thank you.
It's a pleasure to have you here with us.
Yeah, likewise, pleasure to be here.
So Karan, please tell our viewers about Rudra. What does it do and what kind of services it is providing to its clients?
Yeah, so we're a deep tech cybersecurity company providing end-to-end services, gap assessments, implementations and running SOC, but a very engineering-driven approach, because security cannot be solved with point-in-time products or solutions. It's an ever-changing landscape, ever-changing threatscape, and you need that level of skill to solve these problems, and we solve those problems. Work a lot in critical infrastructure, so power, energy, maritime, financial services, basically things that are fundamental to keeping society together. Yeah.
That's correct. So what about your participation in GISEC Global? What are you showcasing here?
Yeah, so out here we're showcasing our engineering prowess in security and, the kind of projects and stuff we do, especially on critical infras like generation, power plants and stuff like that. We came out here to put our finger on the pulse of the Middle East market and see what's happening. And I think that's been achieved. Pretty overwhelming exhibition, there's a lot of stalls and a lot of stuff, but it's been great to see what's happening out here. And I think it's done us a lot of good, just in terms of awareness. We do have a presence in the Middle East. We have a few clients here, but organically obtained. We don't yet have a distributor here, and that's one of our agendas, which has again been fulfilled. So pretty good, I would say.
So how are you operating here without having the partners?
So it's happened through references from our clients in other geographies. They've said, hey, the reference has gone through, and the company has been out here in the Middle East, and we work with them. But yeah, we don't have a resale partner out here yet. So the clients that we work here are few. It's a handful, but nevertheless, yeah, we do have clients in the Kingdom and KSA as well as out here in UAE.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Karan, for sharing this information with us. It was a pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to TechX to know more about what is happening at GISEC Global 2024. Goodbye.